Step into the Ford 2019 F-150 XL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: FX4 off-road package included, hill descent control, off-road tuned front shock absorber, skid plates, fuel tank transfer case and front differential, 4x4 FX4 off-road body side decal, electronic locking with 3.55 axle ratio, SDX appearance package included, fog lamps, driver passenger seat, back pocket sink, 3 enhanced voice recognition communications and entertainment system, 8 inches LCD touchscreen in center stack with swipe capability, app link, 911 assist, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and 2 smart charging USB ports, box side decals, rear window defroster, wheels, 20-inch machined aluminum flash, gray painted pockets, manual driver passenger lumbar privacy glass, body color surround with black mesh insert, grille black mesh insert, body color front and rear bumpers, body color front, faster tires.